Today we're gonna make an avocado dip that's super easy, very few ingredients, and very easy to make. So let's get started. Shallot, you need finely chopped one shallot. This is the secret ingredient. You need 1 teaspoon of chopped garlic, roasted very lightly. You're gonna need about 6 to 7 cherry tomato. I particularly like using the cherry tomato because they are sweeter, and I think it does a good job. So you just chop them up. Finely chop like that, just in circles. You're also going to need a half a lemon juice. This is lime actually, and I also zest the lemon to flavor the avocado. So that's the lemon zest. I have the tomatoes and also the garlic and the lemon zest, and I also added part of the avocado already. So the way you cut the avocado, as I was telling you earlier, you cut it all around with a knife, then you twist and you take it apart like that. Then to remove the pit, you put the knife like this and twist, and then slowly take out the pit from the knife. Then once you've done that, the base, see, part of this avocado is a little bit bruised, so you don't have to take that part, but then you start scoring them. Then with a spoon, you start scooping. See that comes out very easily. I'm gonna do the second one just like that. I'm gonna show you again. Score them vertically, then score them the other way. And with the spoon, just scoop it up. Comes out very easily. They're already like tiny little pieces. See, they just come apart like that. And if there's any big pieces, you can just take them, cut them. Very easy to do. No, you can't mess this up. Also take a half a chili, like I was telling you, if you want it, just to give it a tiny little kick. Don't add too much because it'll be too spicy. A green chili. This is what a green chili looks like. So I'm adding half of that. I personally myself, I don't like spicy food. So, but I do like flavors. So I will add tiny bit. And then finally chop them. This way you don't bite into it. You just get the flavor and a little kick. Okay. Also add salt to taste. A little bit more for me. And very forgiving. You can use this on toast and make an avocado toast in the morning. You can use it as a dip. You can use it as a side dish. When I grill chicken and I have vegetables, instead of using a dressing, I like to use this on the side. So it gives me the richness that I need, the fat that I'm looking for to satisfy that fatty taste that you crave for. I'm just gonna chop up another tomato to garnish it. Now you can add a tablespoon of olive oil. That's about it. It also keeps the avocado from getting brown. The lemon juice is going to help with that, the acidity of the lemon juice. That also keeps it from getting brown. So this is the lemon that I took the zest out of, that I added to this. And I'm also going to squeeze that other half of the lemon. That should be it. Mix it all up. It's all good to go. Okay, here we go. I'm gonna move this out of the way. Put it into a dish. Don't let any of it to go to waste. Super delicious. Add few more of those tomatoes that we chopped up. They look awesome in my mind. Please do make it and try it for yourself. It's awesome taste. I also add tiny bit more of that oil. There you go. Oops. And have that with some of those crackers. Take a little bit and go for it. Awesome. Absolutely awesome. Here's the finished product. And you can have it with some crackers or on a piece of toast, whatever way you like to eat your avocado. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe. See you next time.